Welcome to this short presentation of the Watershed Information System, or WIS. This tool can be used to visualize pollution in a river basin. It can also be used to visualize the effectiveness of measures. This Watershed Information System was developed in the European Medicines Unwanted in Water project, MEDUA project, and is based on field measurements and detailed model calculations. Several partners contributed to the development of this program. Firstly, the University of Osnabrück, they used the GRATER model to create the various scenarios. GRATER stands for Georeferenced Regional Exposure Assessment Tool for European Rivers. This GIS, Geographic Information System, is based on maps and model calculations and was developed in the past by several universities. This GIS is intended for mapping water pollution. It shows how pollution from a point source, such as water treatment plants or factory, spreads across an area. Knowledge of the behavior of each pollutant in the environment is also applied. For example, some pollutants dissolve easily and are transported over long distances. Other pollutants bind to the sediment on the bottom and quickly disappear from the view. The European Knowledge Centre for Sustainable Water Technology, WETSUS, in Leeuwarden, provided the measurement data for the area, which was used to calibrate the model. The concentration of E. coli bacteria were measured at 25 locations over a period of 1 year. E. coli bacteria are an indicator of fecal contamination in water, and the bacteria were also tested for resistance to antibiotics, and these data serve as a model for the possible spread of antibiotic resistance via water. Resistant bacteria can return to humans, for example through recreation and irrigation. That's why we should take this into account, and it's the first time that bacteria are modeled in GRATER. The Radboud University in Nijmegen carried out a risk assessment, which you will find here later, and the Zuiderzee Land Water Authority in Lelystad provided efficiency data from sewage treatment plants. We're speaking about 52 sewage treatment plants in this area. And then the University of Twente in Enschede provided data on the water footprint of medicines. In other words, how much surface water is polluted by the discharge of medicines via urine and feces. And then the company Geoplex in Osnabrück created this interface.